Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok comments not showing or posting. First of all, close TikTok by swiping the box on the bottom of the screen, swipe it away, then reopen it. Next, go ahead and open your profile. Go to the three icon button on the top right, go to settings and privacy, scroll down, click on free up space, and then clear cache, clear downloads, and then manage it. Next, you are going to confirm your account is not restricted or banned. After that, update the app. Go to the app store, search for TikTok, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Safety tip: avoid commenting from suspicious or spammy accounts. Keep your profile clean. Quick fix: try posting the comment from the TikTok website on Safari, then refresh the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.